When we eat to sustain our whole health via our gut, those very food choices mean that we're also doing our bit for our planet too. This is a good news story. Wholesome foods, nutrient-rich foods, they're minimally processed. These are the foods that nature-based farming really embraces. These foods help to enrich our soil. It harnesses biodiversity, it can retain more water, and it grows the healthy food for us. By nurturing our gut health, our inner ecosystem, we are also making food choices that support our natural environment, making sure it thrives, because everything is connected.